Data visualization is not just an art, it's a powerful tool that brings raw data to life, revealing patterns, trends, and insights that might otherwise go unnoticed. Let's take a moment to ponder the world we live in today. A world that is increasingly data-driven, where every click, every swipe, every digital interaction generates data. We're swimming in an ocean of data, and the waves are only getting bigger. But raw data in its native form is like an uncut diamond. It's valuable, sure, but to truly appreciate its worth, it needs to be refined, shaped, and presented in a way that reveals its true beauty. And that's where data visualization comes in. Data visualization is a bit like a translator. It takes the complex, often intimidating language of raw data and translates it into a visual language that's far easier to understand. It's the difference between reading a dense, jargon-filled report and looking at a colorful, intuitive graph. The same information is there, but one is far more accessible than the other. But data visualization is more than just a pretty face for data. It's also a powerful tool for decision-making. With the right visualization, decision-makers can see trends and patterns that might otherwise be hidden in the raw data. They can see the story that the data is telling and use that story to make informed, evidence-based decisions. Data visualization is also a storyteller. It lets us weave complex narratives from the threads of data we collect. We can use it to show the progression of a trend over time or to compare different datasets in a visually compelling way. It allows us to create a narrative that sticks with the viewer, making the data memorable. And let's not forget about simplicity. Data visualization has the power to simplify even the most complex datasets, making them accessible to a wider audience. It's like a tour guide, leading us through the labyrinth of data, pointing out the highlights and helping us make sense of it all. Data visualization is the key to unlocking the treasure trove of insights hidden in the vast seas of raw data. So let's dive in, shall we? Among the multitude of data visualization tools available, Power BI stands out for its comprehensive functionality and ease of use. Power BI, a product of Microsoft, is a suite of business analytics tools that deliver insights throughout your organization. It's a platform that bridges the gap between raw data and decision-making. How does it do this? Through its unique features, of course. Firstly, Power BI has robust data modeling capabilities. With this tool, you can easily transform and clean your data, ensuring that your visualizations are based on high-quality, reliable information. It's like having a little detective that sifts through your data, ensuring only the relevant and accurate bits are used. Then there are the extensive visualization options. Power BI doesn't limit you to pie charts and bar graphs. Oh no, it provides a wide array of visualizations, including but not limited to scatter plots, waterfall charts, maps, and even custom visuals. It's like having a painter's palette, but instead of colors, you have different ways to represent your data. But what truly sets Power BI apart is its seamless integration with other Microsoft products. If you've ever used Excel, you'll feel right at home with Power BI. It's like moving into a new house only to find that it's set up just like your old one. You can import data from Excel, Azure, SQL Server, and more. You can even publish your Power BI reports directly to SharePoint or Teams, making information sharing as easy as a pie. And the best part? Power BI requires minimal programming knowledge. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to be a coding wizard to create stunning, effective visualizations. It's like having a secret weapon that doesn't require years of training to wield. So whether you're a student trying to make sense of a complex data set for your thesis or a business professional looking to drive strategic decisions, Power BI has got you covered. Power BI is a powerful tool for those who need to create sophisticated visualizations with minimal programming knowledge. You can download Power BI from the official Microsoft website at https://powerb.microsoft.com/in/download/. Next on the list is Tableau, a tool known for its flexibility and intuitive interface. Now, aren't those two words just music to your ears? Flexibility and intuition, two things we all wish for in a data visualization tool. Well, Tableau has them in spades. Tableau's most notable feature, and one that sets it apart from many other tools, is its drag-and-drop functionality. This means you don't have to be a coding wizard to create beautiful, informative graphs and charts. All you need is your data and a vision for how you'd like to present it. You can simply pick the elements you want to include in your visualization and drop them where you need them. It's as simple as that, but let's not stop there. Tableau offers an impressive variety of visualization types. From bar graphs and pie charts to maps and scatter plots, the world is your oyster with Tableau. And the best part, you're not limited to just one type of visualization per dataset. You can experiment and explore different ways of presenting your data until you find the one that tells your story best. Now let's talk about community. Anyone who's ever dabbled in data visualization knows how important a strong supportive community can be. It's not just about having people to turn to when you're stuck, but also about having a pool of resources to learn from and draw inspiration. Tableau's community is one of its greatest strengths. With forums, tutorials, and shared visualizations, you'll never feel like you're navigating the complex world of data visualization alone. So what's the bottom line here? Tableau is user-friendly, flexible, and backed by a strong community. It's a tool that welcomes beginners but also caters to advanced users with its wide range of features and customization options. Whether you're dipping your toes into data visualization for the first time, or you're a seasoned pro looking for a tool that can keep up with your creative vision, Tableau has got you covered. Tableau is a versatile tool that can cater to a broad range of data visualization needs, so why not give it a try? Dive in and let your data tell its story. You can download Tableau from the official website at https://www.tableau.com/product/desktop/download. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach to data visualization, matplotlib is the tool of choice. As a versatile library in Python, matplotlib is well regarded for its ability to create a wide array of plots and charts, all while providing users with a high level of customization. Let's delve into the features that make matplotlib a favored tool among data scientists and researchers. Firstly, its compatibility with Python is a significant advantage. Python, being one of the most popular programming languages worldwide, is renowned for its readability and simplicity. This makes matplotlib accessible to users with varying levels of programming expertise, from novices to seasoned professionals. One of the strengths of matplotlib is its ability to create complex visualizations. From simple line plots to intricate three-dimensional graphics, matplotlib can handle it all. It's a tool that grows with you, capable of supporting your needs as your data visualization requirements become more sophisticated. But perhaps what sets matplotlib apart is its high level of customization. Matplotlib gives you control over every aspect of your plots, down to the smallest details. Whether it's the color scheme, the size of the data points, or the style of the axes, you're in the driver's seat. This level of control allows for the creation of visualizations that are not only informative but also aesthetically pleasing and engaging. Moreover, matplotlib offers extensive documentation and a supportive community. If ever stuck, you can rest assured knowing that there's a wealth of resources available to help you navigate your way. This makes matplotlib not just a tool but a learning platform that fosters growth and development in the field of data visualization. In conclusion, matplotlib is a powerful tool that offers a balance between simplicity and sophistication. It's a tool that empowers you, giving you the freedom to express your data in the most effective way possible. Matplotlib is a preferred choice for those who value control and customization in their data visualization process. You can install matplotlib using pip. More information can be found at https://matplotlib.org/stable/users/installing.html. Data visualization is a powerful tool, and choosing the right tool can make all the difference. As we've journeyed through the world of data visualization, we've explored three key tools: Power BI, Tableau, and matplotlib. Each of these tools, while sharing the common goal of enabling us to visualize data, has its unique strengths and is best suited for certain scenarios. Power BI, with its intuitive interface and powerful integration capabilities, is a fantastic tool for those of you who are just starting your data visualization journey or are dealing with Microsoft-based data sources. Its ability to handle large data sets and create interactive dashboards makes it a popular choice in the business world. Then we have Tableau, a heavyweight in the field of data visualization. Renowned for its flexibility, Tableau allows you to create a broad range of visualizations from the simple to the complex. Its advanced features and functionality make it a favorite among data analysts and scientists. And let's not forget matplotlib, the go-to tool for those of you who love to code. It's a free and open-source library in Python that gives you full control over your visualizations. Whether you're a seasoned coder or a beginner looking to learn, Matplotlib is a valuable tool to have in your data visualization toolkit, but remember, it's not just about the tool you choose, it's how you use it. The best data visualization tool is the one that meets your specific needs and skill level. So consider your data, your goals, and your audience when choosing a tool. And finally, keep in mind that, at its core, data visualization is about telling a story. It's about taking complex data and turning it into a visual narrative that's easy to understand, engaging, and impactful. Remember, a well-crafted data visualization can tell a compelling story, drive decision-making, and reveal insights that might otherwise remain hidden. So, choose your tool wisely and start visualizing your data today.